Do not tell your customers these 9 phrases if you don't want to lose them. AnyBiz content team conducted research by speaking with marketing departments in the sales sphere and discovered the most repulsive phrases that the salesperson must avoid in order to retain the potential client. Before we start to talk about this painful topic, don't forget to subscribe and press like button. The first phrase is, you can see the whole assortment on the website. The client calls to be helped understand the assortment and not redirected to the website again. After such words, he will feel that the manager does not want to resolve the issue. Help the client choose the product while he is in touch. If the process takes longer than expected, explain that you will send the options to the messenger and schedule a call back. It is better to say, describe what you need, I will select the goods and send the link. I will call you back in an hour and we will discuss. If anything, call me. This phrase is often said at the end of the conversation if a person has not decided on a purchase. It means that not a sales manager but a cashier works with a client. Funny, right? Most likely you will lose the deal. At the end of the conversation there should be a call to action to study the product again and send the details. If a client is not sure about the purchase, you can end the conversation with the phrase, think some more and I will call you in an hour. Next one, I do not recommend you to contact this company. This phrase is used by sellers who do not trust customers. They remember how they advised the person and he went to buy from a competitor. Now the seller is trying to prevent such a situation from occurring again. On the contrary, the phrase encourages the person to shop elsewhere. There is nothing to replace this phrase. Try to present the product and help the person, so he will decide to save time and trust the seller. We have the best service. For the client, such words sound like a desire not to waste time on consultation. It seems that the seller does not want to give out the disadvantages of his product. Customers will doubt and look for other options in practice. It is better to tell it is like it is. Compare, advise, and explain on your fingers. Explain the pros and cons of the product. Then you turn from a seller into an expert, and the client consults and buys the product. We have a great product. Avoid subjective assessments. A great product for one person will be useless for another. We advise operating with facts that will show the product in the right light. Instead of saying we have natural oils, say our oils are made on the basis of jasmine, bergamot, musk, and olive without the use of chemicals or artificial ingredients, so the client will be clear and interested.
Hello.
When a person calls the company or store and hears hello, thoughts appear, did I get there? The client should immediately understand who is talking to. This will calm him down and facilitate communication. The word hello says that the seller is not serious about the business. Replace it with, good afternoon, my name is Jason and I'm the manager of the company AnyBiz. How can I help you? When it is relevant, call me. No one will write or call after such words. There is a lot of information in the world and the customer will quickly forget about the company he called. When he needs the goods again, he will start looking again. It is not guaranteed that he will discover your company before a competitor's offer. There is only one way out: to learn how to handle objections and close deals here and now. I will send it to you via WhatsApp. The seller should communicate with the client whenever it is convenient for the client. Ask him, by which messenger should I send you the information? Do not impose your preferred method. If you offer your own messenger, more flexible competitors will bypass you. And the last one, only for you and only today. This is a very primitive manipulation that most clients understand. It is not worth saying, I will make a discount only for you as an exception. Be honest with the client. He will appreciate it. It is better to say, my manager allows me to give only 5 discounts during the month. I want to meet him halfway, so I am ready to offer one of them. Tell the truth, do your business professionally and with passion, and one day it will worth it.